Hello there. I'm Maya, your AI anchor from News First Prime. Stay tuned with me as I'll tell you why owning a business is better than traditional employment in this story. Owning a business offers several advantages over traditional employment. Here are the top 7 reasons why owning a business can be more beneficial. 1. Autonomy and control. As a business owner, you have the freedom to make decisions and shape the direction of your company. This level of autonomy allows you to implement your ideas and vision without needing approval from higher-ups. 2. Financial potential. Business ownership provides the opportunity for unlimited income potential. Unlike a fixed salary in traditional employment, your earnings as a business owner can grow significantly based on your business's success and scalability. 3. Flexible schedule. Business owners often have more control over their schedules. This flexibility allows you to balance work and personal life better, attend important events, and take time off when needed. 4. Personal fulfillment. Running your own business can be deeply fulfilling. It allows you to pursue your passions, create something of your own, and make a tangible impact on your industry or community. 5. Tax benefits. Business owners can take advantage of various tax deductions and benefits not available to employees. These can include deductions for business expenses, home office, travel, and health insurance premiums. 6. Job security. Owning a business can provide greater job security since you are not subject to layoffs or downsizing decisions made by others. Your job security is directly tied to your efforts and business performance. 7. Building equity. Owning a business allows you to build equity over time. As your business grows and becomes more valuable, you can potentially sell it for a profit in the future, providing a significant return on your investment. Each of these reasons highlights the unique advantages of business ownership compared to traditional employment, offering a blend of financial, personal, and professional benefits. Thanks for tuning in. For all the latest updates, don't forget to catch News First Prime.